You remember when you used to thief? Well, hello dear friends. Welcome back to You Remember When. Now, some of you hear me ask that question. I'm very concerned as to why, because some of you can't remember ever thieving anything in your life. You have absent memory. Or selective memory for some of you. Well, let me jolt in the memory a little bit. You remember when I used to thief sugar? When I used to thief out the Milo and the Alex, when I used to in a yard nigga. You remember when you used to thief a little silver out of your mother purse or half of the dresser? Remember when you used to thief things then from your brother or your sister? Some of you was some serious childhood thief. Remember when you go school and go back home with the people them things? And some of the parents, never did the right thing and send you back with the picking them pencil and rubber and them sitting there. Them soon come home with the people and picking things and don't say nothing. I couldn't do that, If I come home with anything that I did not leave my yard with, I get a fine ass because my parents trying to find out where I get the people and things, and I have to carry it back to school the next day. I remember when I used to thief, when someone used to thief our fruits off of the people them tree. Remember when you thief the people them man? You remember that? Someone right now still there with the thieving man. I'm not going to go down that road. But someone was son thief. We thank God that when you get older, I want to grow out the thieving. Well, that's only someone. Someone grow up to scammer. Don't grow out the thieving none at all. You can't see people things and not take it. Can't see people money. Mighty God are sweating like the dickens. Can't see people money and don't take it out of them account. Somehow go into politics and into the clergy. Upgrade the stealing to another level. I hate to know. I wish sometime when you touch people things, and we're just rotten off and drop a ground. I hate a thief. But anyway, I give thanks to some of you who grow up and grow out the stealing and don't steal no more. But for all of you who love thief, you need to grow on the ways and thief no more. But anyway, I am going to go inside right now and try to do some legal stealing. You know what I'm talking about. Mildred, ready up yourself for me there. Come into thief a piece.